Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting quickly. Open the contact chat, tap their name, and use mute and archive to reduce interruptions. Once done, set mute to always and clear chat notifications so calls don't ring. Make sure to add a short status indicating limited availability. This explains why you won't pick up. You're doing this to change their expectation of immediate response and to create friction that prevents spontaneous calling. Next, tighten your privacy settings so the contact has less context to initiate calls. You should set last seen and profile photo to contacts or nobody. That reduces curiosity and impulsive calls. Then, limit who can call by using WhatsApp's privacy options or block persistent callers if needed. Make sure to combine this with your phone-level Do Not Disturb schedule so WhatsApp calls arrive silently and don't tempt. To finish, communicate boundaries. Send a short, firm message explaining you cannot take calls and prefer messages. If calls persist, use temporary block and explain you'll unblock when communication can be respectful. Make sure to test the result. Restart WhatsApp and confirm notifications are off. If something goes wrong, update the app and check phone notification permissions. These fixes usually resolve missed silence issues so your settings work reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.